Hello dear students, now we are going to do one more question from the linear programming. The question I have taken, x is greater than or equals to 0, same way as y is greater than or equals to 0, 2x plus 3y is less than or equals to 23, x plus 3y is less than or equals to 24 are the constraints for the given problem, and this is given to us the objective function for the given linear programming problem. So first of all we need to make the graph. So these two things are indicating that graph will be the shaded region, will be the feasible region, will be only and only in the first quadrant. Now we are making the graph of 2x plus y is equals to 23. The line which we need to make, that will be for equals to. Afterwards shading will be for inequality. So this will be with the help of table formation x, y. Once I am taking x as 0, when x will be 0, y will be 23. When I will take y as 0, x will be 23 by 2. For another equation, x plus 3y equals to 24, that will give me x, y. Once I am taking x as 0, once I am taking y as 0. When x will be 0, y will be 8, and when y will be 0, x will be 24. So these are the two conditions. Let us make the graph for these two situations. So first is when x is 0, y will be 23. When x is 0, y will be 23. And when y is 0, x will be 23 by 2, 11.5. Somewhere here. So its line we will be making with the help of scale. I'll make line. So that line will be like this. We will be getting the line for 2x plus y equals to 23. Now next line we need to make for this. When x is 0, y will be 8. When x is 0, y will be 8, and when y will be 0, x will be 24. So joining this we will be getting another line. We have got the another line also, that is this is the line for x plus 3y is equals to 24. X plus 3y equals to 24. This was the line 2x plus y is equals to 23. Now both are less than or equals to, means if we will put 0 0, then for 0 0, 2 into 0 plus y, that is 0, is less than or equals to 23, means true. If we are checking for this, x as 0 plus 3 into 0 is less than or equals to 24, true. True means towards 0 0 the shading will be coming. Towards 0 0 the shading will be coming. So shaded region will be this, and this point will be 9 and 5. The point is 9 and 5. Now we need to write the corner points. For this, corner points are, one is this, another one is this, that is 11.50, one is this 0 0, and last one is this 0 8. So these four are the corner points for the problem. Now we need to put these values into the z. So z, once we will be taking 0 0, next time we will take 0 8, next time we will be taking z 9 5, and last time we will take 11.50. So these four values will be giving us the four different conditions. When we'll put 0 0 into the objective function, this will become 0. When we'll put 0 8, x as 0, we will be getting 24. If we are going to do x 9 with and y 5, then this will be coming 36 plus 15 51, and last 11.5 into 4 plus 3 into 0. So this will be coming 46. We were supposed to calculate the maximum value. So this is the maximum value for the given function. So z is maximum at 9 5 and maximum value of it is 51. This will be the overall solution. I have taken this as a word problem. So word problem I'll send you. Normally now these are not going to come in the syllabus, but still you must be knowing if it comes as word problem, then you must see that also. So good luck, keep preparing. Thank you, bye bye.